My name is Paul Negro, proudly Canadian and founder of Grassroots Performance. Throughout my racing career and performance parts company, I've established a network of connections in the motorsports world across the globe. Some people call us adrenaline junkies, some people call us crazy. But for gearheads alike, we just want to go fast. Time and time again, I've seen drivers walk the line of either making it or breaking it.
Drifting takes my whole other life outside of work.
You're a little more aware because if you do make a mistake, you are going to crash.
Join me as I embark on this journey to see what it takes to make it happen or be left in the dust. This is Speed Factory.
My name is Demi Chelkis. I'm 26 years old. I'm from Stouffville, Ontario, and I've been racing for 10 years. I learned real quick I needed to take my love for speed and cars onto the racetrack.
I'm Daniel Pasca. I'm 27 years old. I'm from Toronto, Ontario, and I've been drifting for 7 years. I've been through a lot of problems and struggles this year. Why am I even doing this? I want to be the best in the world.
My name is Josiah Falaise. I'm 27 years old. I'm from Trenton, Ontario, and I've been drifting for 4 years. As a spectator sport, I think it's so much better. It's just going to have to gain that traction. These drivers are excellent drivers. Go as fast as you can, drift as hard as you can. Dan's one of the most consistent drivers I've seen. He doesn't make mistakes. It's a clean run every time. He's the guy to beat.
Feel that? That's your heart beating out of your chest. And get used to it, because we're about to do it all over again, right here on Speed Factory.